Back out here. I got to mow this lawn, and but I was singing another part of that Lonely Dog Blues. Just after I finished that last section, he started barking again, so I had to sing. The minute I start singing, he stops barking. That's the weirdest thing. So I'm going to start. Maybe I'll be singing again here. I got a little more power on this. You may see me. You may. Oops. Oh, that thing falls down. All right, you may see me while I'm doing this, or you may not. I don't know. Hard to say. Had to find a way to make that thing sit on there. I got a rock right here. See, I got rocks. I got lots of rocks. Anybody need a rock? You can't have one. I like them. All right. They're my rocks. I found them. I'm keeping them. You want your own rock? Go find your own rock. All right, there. There I am. Now that's the road again. So I came up with a new way of singing that song. I got the lonely dog blues, crying day and night. Oh, well, it soothes. I got the lonely dog blues. Well, I come outside. I'm gonna do some work I gotta do in my yard, yeah. You ever have that problem? I bet you have. When the neighbor's got a great big dog. You know, those big old dogs, when they get lonely, they howl and howl. You know, you're lonely, they're little lonely dogs. And when I hear them howling, I feel so sad. You know they're lonely, 'cause they won't stop barking at all, no. So I just sing them the lonely dog blues. Oh, my roses are biting me. Get back, Rose, get back. I gotta cut you. Gotta cut you back. If you're gonna attack me, leave me alone. I got the lonely dog blues all day. When I think about going in the backyard, I know I can't be quiet and pray. 'Cause that poor doggy next door, it's gonna start barking the moment I leave my door. 'Cause it thinks that maybe somebody's gonna pay attention and love him a little bit more. Oh, the poor little lonely puppy, just sitting all day in the yard. He don't have nobody to play with. Poor little dog, I feel so. He is a lonely little dog. I didn't even put the thing on. Oh, you dingbat, it gets so pretty.